In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and change grid lines in your Excel chart. To get started, open the Excel workbook that contains the chart you want to edit. This is important because grid lines are added and customized directly from the chart itself. So you'll want to have the correct workbook and chart in front of you before making any changes. Once your workbook is open, click on the chart to select it. When the chart is selected, Excel will display chart-specific options that let you control different visual elements. One of the easiest ways to work with these options is through the Chart Elements button, which looks like a plus sign and appears next to the chart. Click that plus sign to open the Chart Elements menu. In this menu, you'll see a list of items you can show or hide on the chart. To add grid lines, simply check the box labeled grid lines. As soon as you do that, Excel will place grid lines on the chart, making it easier to read values and compare data points more clearly. If you want more control over the type of grid lines being displayed, click the small arrow next to grid lines. This opens additional choices so you can decide exactly which grid lines appear on your chart. For example, primary major horizontal grid lines are the most common and are useful for helping viewers track values across the chart from left to right. Primary major vertical grid lines add vertical guides instead. You can also choose primary minor horizontal or primary minor vertical grid lines if you want extra lines between the major ones for more detailed reading. The best option depends on how much visual guidance your chart needs without making it feel too busy. After adding the grid lines, you can also change how they look. To do that, click directly on one of the grid lines in the chart so it becomes selected. Then right-click the selected grid line and choose Format Grid Lines. This opens the Format Grid Lines pane on the right side of the screen. In that pane, you can customize the appearance of the grid lines to better match your chart style or presentation needs. You can change the line color, adjust the transparency, increase or decrease the line width, and choose a dash type such as solid, dashed, or dotted. These formatting options are useful if you want the grid lines to stand out more or blend in subtly while still providing visual support. Take a moment to preview your changes as you go, so the chart stays clear and easy to read. And that's it. You now know how to add and change grid lines in your Excel chart.